The winner of the latest midweek lifestyle competition here at BOTB is Candela, and he's just won himself the incredible DJI Matrice drone bundle. This thing is mad. Let's get him on a video call and give him the good news. Hi, is that Candalea?
Yeah, that's me.
Hello, Candalea. Christian here from BOTB. How are you?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good. Candalea, we are matching today. We're both wearing orange. I got the BOTB logo, and you've got your safety jacket. Whereabouts are you? What do you do for a living?
I'm at work.
Ah, fantastic. And what's your job?
I work in construction.
Okay, fantastic. And whereabouts in the world?
I'm actually in London.
In London today. Oh, fantastic. Excellent. Yeah. Well, we could nearly wave at you outside the window. Well, I've got some very good news for you, Candalea. You answered the latest midweek lifestyle competition question correctly. I'm also pleased to say you were randomly selected from all the correct entries. You've just won the DJI Matrice bundle with £10,000. This bundle, hey, our pleasure. Thank you for entering. This bundle is mad. I don't know, what made you pick the drone?
I don't know. I just like to drive the drone. I just passed the courses last couple of weeks ago. So.
Oh, fantastic. So you're all qualified, ready to fly this thing?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, the Matrice drone, I don't know if you've seen it. I watched the video about this. It is unbelievable. It will literally fly anywhere. It will go anywhere in any weather conditions. It will fly up to, I think, minus 20 degrees. You've got like the night vision camera on there and everything. It's a wicked bit of kit. Could you use it for your job at all?
Yeah, I can use it to make video, photo, any.
Oh, amazing. Well, fantastic. Well, it also comes, as you may have seen, with £10,000 as well. Any idea what you might spend some of that money on?
I don't know. I don't have any words now,
Little bit lost for words.
Yeah.
Hey, not absolutely. Well, look, I can completely understand. Huge congrats.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you for playing. Who do you think you'll tell first?
Actually, I'm going to call my wife and I'm going to tell him.
Yeah, definitely. Call your wife. Let us know what she says, because it's a huge win. As I mentioned, the whole package is worth just over £22,000. It is a massive win just by answering that question correctly and then randomly selected from all the correct entries. You are the winner this week. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Absolutely our pleasure. Well, have a great day at work, and we'll speak to you a bit later on.
All right, thank you.
Nice one. No worries. Cheers.
Bye. Cheers, bye.